This video is just a quick sales pitch for the welding industry for our new welders. Literally, welding is everywhere. What is it? Let's start there. Welding is the joining of metals and nonmetals with or without a filler metal. We use heat, pressure, or heat and pressure together. So it's either heat, which in a lot of cases that's what we teach at our school, some pressure from time to time, and then heat and pressure. Okay, so those are the three ways of joining metals, and it could be with or without a filler. Okay, with that being said, anything made without a filler rod we call an autogenous weld. That's good to know. Okay, welding is found in the construction industry, the automobile industry, aerospace, and the list goes on and on and on. Any type of consumer product, infrastructure for the country, doesn't really matter. It's all over the place. Literally, there's people welding in the oceans, the streams, the canals. We're welding on barges and pipes. They're welding up, 1,000 feet above the earth in skyscrapers. They're welding in buildings on micro welds, like electronic type stuff, and everything in between. Welding is literally everywhere. When you leave your house, you drive in your car, hop on a bus, hop on a train, those things are actually welded together. And the device that's in your hand, you're holding a phone, those have little micro welds in them. Okay, soldering, those things are all welded. Okay, in a sense, if we look at what the definition actually means, they're like micro welds. Okay, so it's everywhere, which means we need skilled welders. Highly skilled welders have the following skills. Okay, so with our program, we're going to teach you the basics of about, we'll probably dive into about 10 different processes. But for anybody out there that's looking to get into welding, what do you really need to learn? Get into stick, TIG, MIG, and flux core, which are two semi-automatic processes. Learn how to do some thermal cutting. It could be oxyacetylene, oxypropylene, oxypropane. It doesn't matter if it ends there. It could be plasma arc cutting, any type of thermal cutting, fabrication skills, math skills, communication skills. Where's your work ethic? Get up early, show up to class, study your books, and get after it. The more you know about this trade, the better you're going to be. Highly skilled means you're going to be highly compensated, promoted. You're going to have great benefits, vacation time. They'll give you more responsibility, which might be a good thing. You want to move up that chain of command. You want to get to the top. You get a nice retirement package, maybe a phone plan, a vehicle, and a gas card. And there's just so much more that comes with you being highly skilled. So learn, study, practice, keep the hood down and burn rod, and then all of this could be a reality. And so tips for being successful: read. If we tell you to read the book, grab any welding book. Even go to the store or Barnes & Nobles and find the Welding for Dummies. Who cares? It's a great book. Any of those. Look at them, read them, check out the diagrams, and just soak it in. When you're in a class, listen. Watch videos on YouTube. I'm just one of the guys out there. There's tons of them. Listen to what they're saying. Yeah, maybe there's a couple you don't want to listen to, but there are a lot of great ones out there. Practice. Show up early, stay late, ask for more time, practice. If this hood is not down, you're not getting any better. Be on time, be passionate, and ask questions. And the saying goes, you have to burn to learn, and you have to learn to earn. So you burn that rod, you keep your hood down, you're going to get good at welding. You're going to understand the technicalities, the theory, everything. And once you have that, you have the skills to earn the money, and that's where it's at. Hope this helps.